How to fix JustWatch app not working. First, check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Your problem should be fixed. If not, try updating the app. Open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar. Search for JustWatch. Find the results. Tap on this app JustWatch. If you see the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while. After the app is updated, your problem should be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache of the app. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for JustWatch and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, go back. Try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK. After that, install the application again from Play Store or App Store. Now your app should start working. Sometimes there might be temporary software glitches in the device itself. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart that you can see on the screen. Once the device is restarted, your problem will be fixed. You should be able to use this app. Like this, you can fix JustWatch app not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.